welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently like native speaker. I really understand English is very important nowadays. Wherever you are going, if you are going for abroad for study or going for tour or traveling or you are going for an interview, so English is very important nowadays. If you speak with someone in English, it is really make a good impact. Or someone, if the someone asks you anything in English, and if you are able to give the answer in English, so it feels confidence. So English, but English is very easy and very hard also. Easy for them, those who can understand and those who can speak. Hard for them, those who do not know how to make a sentence or vocabulary building. I'm here to help you to improve your vocabulary so that you can speak English confidently like native speaker. So let's start today's video with some interesting and amazing English words. So let's start today's video. Here we go. First, contingent, dependent. Our agreement to buy their house is contingent upon the sellers finding another house to move into. Contrite, admitting guilt. To be contrite is to admit whatever terrible thing you did. Okay. First, I will tell the letter, then the meaning, and then I will make a sentence. I hope you will understand. Contrived, artificial. Sam's acting was contrived. No one in the audience believed his character or enjoyed his performance. Conventional, common, customary. The architect conventional design did not win him awards for originality. Convivial, fond of parting festive. A convivial gathering is one in which the people present enjoy eating, drinking, and being together. Copious, adjective abundant. The champagne at the wedding reception was copious, but not every good. Corollary, something that follows a natural consequence. In mathematics, a corollary is a law student, is a law that can be deduced without further proof. Corroborate, confirm. I knew my statement was correct when my colleague corroborated. Cosmopolitan, at a home in many places or stimulation. Hugh's interests were cosmopolitan. Countenance, facial expression. His father's confident countenance gave Lowell the courage to preservative. So friends, we have done today's vocabulary. I hope that in my previous video also and today's video you have so many advanced words which you can use in your English speech or while speaking with someone. These are advanced words are really helpful to improve your English speaking exercise, because whenever you will speak with these words, so people will think that what the person is saying because they do not know about these words. Many people, those who speak in English, I believe that 70 to 75% people use only common English words, but 20 to 25% people, some of them are teachers, doctors, are advocates. There are the so many peoples, those who speak English with advanced words. So if you will also speak the English with advanced words, so you will join their community also. You will see the privilege in the society. So that's all you need, because English is very good if you will improve your English. But I would like to tell you there are the other things also you should need to work, like reading every day. You can read newspaper, listening every day like listening media, and speaking in front of mirror or record your own video. These things are very important to improve your English speaking practice as well as improving your exercise towards English language. So I believe these are enough to improve your English communication skills. And one more thing, English is not just a language, it is a language of opportunity. Even you want to get a job in corporate sector or MNC, or you want to go for overseas studies in any English speaking country like Canada, Australia, New Zealand, or UK, wherever you want to go. So English can open a new opportunity for you. So what I believe, you should also, that English is very very important nowadays. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much.